This free tutorial will be showing you Premiere Pro CC export audio for YouTube online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, the first step to export audio only for YouTube in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Drag your video clip, highlight it, right click, and click unlink, which is below enable and above group. You can delete the video clip. I'm adding an in point and an out point to our audio that we would like to export for YouTube. And then Ctrl+M on your keyboard. Under the format, click the drop down arrow and click MP3. Under preset, click the third option, the highest quality. Output name, save this wherever you would like, and then click export. Or should I say, this is the before, and this is the after. See what I did there?